Generative models, especially transformer-based architectures like GPT, are revolutionizing machine learning and AI. They excel in natural language understanding, text generation, and image synthesis. These models learn patterns from vast datasets, generating highly coherent and contextually relevant content. This makes them incredibly powerful tools in various applications. Advancements in fine-tuning techniques, such as few-shot and zero-shot learning, enable these models to adapt quickly to new tasks with minimal data, enhancing their versatility. However, challenges remain, including bias, ethical concerns, and the environmental impact of training large models. Addressing these issues is crucial for sustainable development. Case studies demonstrate the efficiency of these models in practical use. Ongoing research aims to overcome existing challenges, ensuring a more ethical and sustainable future. Future prospects of generative models and transformer-based architectures are promising, with continuous improvements and innovations expected to drive further advancements in AI. In conclusion, generative models and transformer-based architectures are transforming the landscape of AI. While challenges remain, ongoing research and advancements promise a more ethical and sustainable future.